Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to rearrange a column of items in the form of a table. Friends, here I have a column of items and it, as you can see, it contains name, age, country, runs, average, team. So each player here has so much of data. The next player here has this much of data. So it is written column wise. What I want is that in a column here I want say name, then here age, then here country, then runs, then average, and then team, and then all the names should appear here. All the ages should appear here. All the names of country should appear here, and so on. That will look nice. Now, how can you do it very quickly? So, for that, we first of all mark this name, age, country, runs, average, team up to this much. Six items are here. So we press Ctrl C to copy it, and then where I want, I say I want it here. So I click here, then I right click it, and then in the paste option there is a paste option called transpose. I click it here, and so it is written uh, like this. After that we press the escape button so that this marking will go, and then click this cursor in a blank cell. Don't press the enter. So it is something like this. Okay, I have actually written auto fit items, so everything is fitting automatically. If you don't want that, you can remove that also. Anyway, after that you see this first name Rohit appears in uh, dth column 8th row. So suppose I want it here, I leave one row blank for beautification. So I mark here, and then here I write D8. Okay, just write D8. Doesn't matter whether you write small d or capital D, just write D8. And then we pull it up to this much, up to this last column, D13. And then here I write manually D14. And then again I pull it up to this much. Well, I am not going to do this for every item. Now we mark both the rows from here and pull it down, covering sufficient number of rows so that all the names are taken care of. Something like this. So you see, it is written like this. Now this much area is marked already. Don't remove the marking. With the marking available in this place, just press Ctrl F button. Ctrl F button to get this dialog box of find and replace. Click the replace button and replace the small d by equal to capital D. Actually, before making this video, I have tested my video, so it is already written capital equal to capital D. In your computer, it will be blank. So just write equal to capital D. Now the capital D is important. Earlier capital D, small d is going to be replaced now, and then replace all. So you can see our job is almost done, and since we have covered some extra rows, so this you can mark and then delete. So you see how beautifully all the names, last name here you can see is head. 37 Australia 123254 DC, and here also 37 Australia 123254 DC. Yeah. So everything is nicely done. Hope this video will be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.